So guys, if you have tried to create a Facebook page and you run into this particular error which said an error code while creating the page, please ensure you are following page policies. Then you want to stick to the very end of this video because I will guide you through step by step, click by click, how to bypass this error. Because trust me, if you go to your Facebook account, go to Facebook page or try to create it with your Facebook page, it won't work. You will keep on getting this particular error. Even if you try to use a VPN, you try to use the web page or whatever, you will keep getting this particular error. However, you want to watch this video to the end, like I said, so that you can learn the new method you can use to create a Facebook page in 2026 and start using it to upload your content and make money with it. And if that interests you, all I want you to do right now is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, because YouTube notify me that 99% of you are watching my video are not hitting that subscribe button. So I do appreciate you hit that subscribe button if you are someone who is interested in things and making money online, trading forex, and generally making money. Then you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button. So to get that done, step one, you want to get a Facebook account. And if you already have a Facebook account, it will also work, but I would recommend you create a new Facebook account. And to create a new Facebook account is very easy. So all you want to do is to download your Facebook and then create a Facebook account step by step. And it's a very straightforward procedure to do, right? And once you've gotten a brand new Facebook account, then the next you want to do is to wait for 24 hours. Right after you must have waited for 24 hours, then the next you want to do is to come to your app store or to download the Meta Business Suite. Now this suite is also like you can call it a YouTube Studio if you're familiar with YouTube. So this is Meta Business Suite, whereby you see the back end of whatever you're doing on Facebook, be it comments, analytics. You can even still post right here or create whatever post on the Meta Business Suite, right? Now, once you've created your Facebook account and wait for 24 hours, then you come right to your Meta Business Suite, download this either with your Facebook app, either with your App Store or your Play Store, and then you click on open. And once you click on open, it will bring you to this particular interface. Now on this interface right now, so there's the account I've already created, and the reason why it's bringing me right here is because I've already created a Facebook account, a new one, which in less than 24 hours. So it's going to bring me right here. So however, if you already have an account and you want to do this thing, so all you have to do is to log out the particular account which you have used, which is not the new one, and log in this particular new one. And immediately you log in, this is the first thing that will show you right away. And if you're still watching this video, I will appreciate you like this video, so this video can spread broader audience on YouTube, because a lot of people are having issue in creating a Facebook page, right? And using this procedure, it will work 100% for you, right? So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is say unable to access the Meta Business Suite with this account. So your account is this, and to any Facebook page that can be managed in Meta Business Suite, create a Facebook page or log in with another account. So all you have to do right now is to create a Facebook page, right? Click on create a Facebook page. So they're going to say create your page. A page is a space where people can public, then click on get started. Now you're going to name your page whatever. So we're going to put something random. Then you click on done. Once you've done that, then the next you want to do is to click on next below, right? The next is below. Click on next. And once you click on next, so they're going to ask you to choose a category that's whatever your page fall under. So if you're someone who wants to do AI automation, maybe Facebook automation, so you want to know what niche you're using or what niche you're going into, and then select from that niche. And I feel once you're choosing category should be around 2 3, at least around 3 categories. I'm going to choose arts, and I'm going to choose science also, right? Let me just use history museum, and then I'm going to choose stuff like let me use education as well, right? So you can add whatever what you want to add inside your category, depend on whatever your page is all about. So once you're done with that, then next you want to hit is create, right? Now they say error performing queue, so we're gonna wait. And then while we're waiting, so this is gonna load up for a while. So I don't know why it keeps showing error performing query. I feel like it's because I've used this to create a previous account. So this should be the third account I've created. Let me show you, because a few hours ago, let me swipe this. If it doesn't work for you, so you can just wait for a while, refresh, or come back in 24 hours and try it again. Trust me, it works. Let me log into another account. All right, so this another account, and as you can see, this is showing 0 followers. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see 6 hours ago I created this account, and nothing has really happened right here on this particular page, right? And if to be sure about that, if I come on this particular page and then come to see about, now if you watch right here, you're gonna see creation date today, which is to say I'm gonna blow my page ID, say creation date is today, which is to tell you that this page was created today, and you see the same as at the time of recording this video. So this is the same strategy I use and it works. So all you have to do is to try it out, and if it works for you, come on the comment section and comment, Bernard, thank you, it works, so that other people can see it and then try it out for themselves. So if you try using the Facebook app itself to create the page and it doesn't work, so you can try the business suite method, and trust me, it's going to work for you. So with that said, if you enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and until I see my next video, stay safe and peace out.